Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, also known as the Chatty Pen Pal channel, and for all of you letter writers I have something fun, which is a double La Papierre unboxing. Now, for those of you who haven't seen any of these videos yet, every month La Papierre comes out with 6 different letter writing paper designs, and you can sign up for a subscription service, which means that you get all 6 of the designs with matching envelopes, if you like, every month delivered to your doorstep. If you do not want the subscription, you can also order the individual items through their Etsy shop, Etsy store, kind of right after everyone has received their pack, so that they don't get any spoilers. I received this pack for free. I get 24 pieces of paper, which means 4 of each design and one of the envelopes, so that I can do these videos for you. But I, as always, give you my fair and honest opinion. If I love a design, you will know. If I don't like it, I will also tell you. Now, the reason why I'm doing a double unboxing, this was not planned, because as you can see, the first one is already opened. And I also filmed an unboxing for the June... Is this June? I think this is June. For the June set. But I've been so crazy busy, I've been behind on everything, I haven't been able to upload it yet. And I wasn't 100% happy with the lighting, which is kind of crucial for seeing the designs. So I figured, instead of uploading this one and then a couple days after the other one, I'm just going to refilm this and do everything in one. So yay, you get 2 unboxings in one video. I'm going to show you these. Of course, I have already seen them. I've also already started using them, so it's not a complete set, but I will take you through them, and then we're going to open this pack together. Now, everything, if you are interested in checking it out, everything is linked down below. Don't forget to tell them that I sent you. But let's just start with the June pack. I have to say, this is one I really like. As I said, I already started using some, but there's a couple very fun themes in here, if you ask me. You've already seen this one because it's been on top the whole time, but the first design is kind of a koi. I'm gonna flip this upside down. A koi design, it's called koi, right? The little fish here, and the background has a beautiful dark water theme and some water lilies, if I'm not mistaken. The envelope is also gorgeous. I absolutely love that watercolor blue design, and I don't know, I like, if you would describe it to me, I'd probably tell you that I wouldn't like it, but I actually quite like it because of the colors. The next design I'm going through fairly quickly so that we can go to actually unboxing the new one. The next design is a really fun one. I also started using this one as well. It's a coffee themed one. It has rainbow colors and these little hands holding coffee cups, teacups, I don't know, I guess it's coffee, and a very fun, bright, colorful background, which I quite like. These 2 both have a lot of space for writing, which is always good. I don't know what else to say about it, but yes, this is something I really love. Also because I've been saying this for many weeks, but I'm hoping to do a coffee themed video very soon. Then I do have all of the envelopes still, which is good, because I did, as I said, I already wrote a couple letters. See, I only have two of these left. But the next design, cute little hippo. Cute little hippo, a lovely, I will hold them still, a lovely watercolor border at the top, these pretty circles, and a hippo on a balloon with holding some fruit. Super summery, which is really good, because I haven't done any summer themed mail yet, but this gets me right in that summer spirit. And also I love that it has green lines, a nice little detail there. And then the envelope again has the hippo and this beautiful font that says "Please deliver to," with enough space for addresses, but also enough space for the stamps at the top, so that I don't have to cover up the design. When you've been writing letters for like 3 years, that's the kind of things you pay attention to. Then Oh, this is probably my favorite design in this pack, and I guess you will soon see why. It has florals and botanicals, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This envelope design also has something new. Instead of just the address slot, it also has a slot for a return address. And I think that's actually maybe like exactly the same size as my stickers. Let me check. Oh, is that a perfect match? It's almost a perfect match. Oh goodness, I think it is a perfect match. Oh, that makes me really happy. That, like, is that a coincidence? The return address slot is exactly the same size as my return address stickers. Okay, I don't know, that just that just came to mind. But yeah, I don't think I have to explain why I love this one so much. It has yellow and red, which is not normally a color I would choose, but I absolutely love this design. It will go so well with all of the... And again, if I look at this, I kind of want to pair it with craft paper. I don't know why, but craft paper and botanicals is a good combination if you ask me. So this is my favorite design this week. Also let me know in a comment down below what is your favorite design. I think a lot of you will also choose this one, but maybe the hippo or the coffee one, or this one, which is very, very different from my usual style. I've already used this vegetable themed paper. I always like to include random little things in my videos, and I have another one for you. I already used one of these pieces of paper because I have a new fountain pen and it has purple ink. I mean, I put purple ink in it, and that looks so nice with this paper, some beautiful purple ink, because it's a lot of vegetables, which is very random, but I actually quite like it, and a lot of purple vegetables such as onions and eggplants and cabbage and stuff like that. It's, I don't know, I again, it's not something that you would think you would like, but I like the kind of grown-up vibe this has. And again, it looks really, really nice with some vintage items. The envelope is also really nice because on the back it has some more vegetables, some different ones. Oh no, the same. It's the same. Never mind. I didn't say anything. Some more vegetables, but they have a bit more a pop of color. Like these are darker and these are lighter, but I actually quite like that. They look a lot more vibrant. But the envelope, I really hope you guys can see, also has a really faint design, same as here in the background. A really faint design. I don't know what else to say. I really hope the camera picks up on that. But it's not plain white, it has a design in the back as well. I like that. So we have that. Sorry for my coughing the whole time. And the last one from this pack before we move on to the next pack is this one with a little bookworm. I never even, like the previous time I did this, the previous time I did this unboxing, I was talking about a rainworm with books, and now I realize of course it's a bookworm. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's a bookworm. I hope that's an English word as well, but in Dutch we call it a boekenworm, which literally translates to bookworm. So it's a little bookworm. I'm gonna say that 6 more times. On top of books, little glasses. It's kind of adorable. It says read more books, and then this little guy says you are never alone when lost in the magic of a book. And I couldn't agree more. Next to pen paling, my biggest hobby is reading, so I absolutely love this design, which is probably why I only have 1 sheet of it left, because it's just so cute and so adorable. The envelope is also really, really nice because it has that ombre look from blue to pink, which has got to be one of my favorite color combinations. And it only, wouldn't you agree, this color combination only works in crafting? Like with clothing, I wouldn't normally pair blue and pink, but in crafting, it's so nice. So these are all of the designs. My favorite is for sure the botanical one, but I also love the bookworm, the coffee one. Actually, I kind of like all of them. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The only one I have not used yet is this one. But then again, the blue from the envelope is absolutely gorgeous. And yes, I'm going rather quickly because I'm super excited to look at the next set of papers. I have not seen any spoilers. Do I have some scissors? I have not seen any spoilers, so this is as much a surprise to me as it is to you, which kind of is the case like all the time, but still. The only thing I'm hoping for, because a lot of companies have been doing Christmas in July, I do not get that. It's July. I don't want to think about Christmas, but I'm really hoping that Papierre is also not thinking about that. Oh, definitely not. Oh my goodness. The first design is already beautiful. As always, included are their referral card, which basically says subscribe to the stationery subscription service, mention that you were referred by Vivian at the Paper Letter Blog, and we will send you both free stationery. So if you mention my name, you get something for free. I don't get anything extra, but I always get these packs every month, so I have nothing to complain about. And then their little card which says a League of Extraordinary Pen Pals, which is their online pen pal community. And then we have their little note which says new beginnings because they've moved. They bought their first house. It's always a cute little letter to their subscribers. And then on the back, I will cover that up carefully. Yeah, on the back there's a pen pal ad. I'm just covering that up because it has someone's address on there, which I always feel kind of uncomfortable showing. But it's a pen pal ad. So if you are a member of Papierre, you can send a pen pal letter to someone, which I think is very, very cute. Oh my god, it has flamingos. Oh wow, this is so me. It's light pink. Oh, this has a little spot on there. It's light pink. I'll switch them around. And it has flamingos. I don't normally like flamingos. Flamingos is such a popular design in like crafting communities, but I am more about these gorgeous flowers. I hope you guys can also see that the background has this kind of misty, I always make up my own words, a misty pink little blush, and the lines of the paper are also nice and pink. So it's a really pleasing set. And then the envelope is also gorgeous with little flamingos, again that beautiful pink fade, and the florals on the back, which makes me so happy. Beautiful. Like the back is almost more pretty than the front, if you ask me. I like the back so much with the flowers. Oh, that has got to be one of my new favorites. Then, oh, maybe pink is the theme this month. We have another kind of reddish pink design. It's a little hedgehog. Oh, what is the name? What's the name of that fairy tale? Is it Red Riding Hood? Is it Red Riding Hood? I don't know. And in Dutch we call her Little Red Hood. So like Roodkapje, which means Little Red Hood. That's what this reminds me of. It's a little hedgehog with a little red hood and a picnic basket, and then some fruits and a little flower and a ladybug, and it's very adorable. It also has a little banner up the top, which is kind of random, but it suits this design. Very adorable. Quite like that. It's like, it gives me spring vibes, but it would also go very well with any other season because of the colors. I don't know what else to say about it. Beautiful grid in the background. And let us find the envelope. Oh, I'm getting some spoilers. Wow, you're gonna love this. Oh my god, I love how colorful that is. Can you imagine finding that in your mailbox? Beautiful, same design. Lots of space for writing, lots of space for stamps. Very nice. And then this one is very plain, but I like it. It's kind of mystical. It has I want to say flowers again. I'm obsessed with flowers, in case you didn't realize. It has feathers, and the paper also seems lightly purple, or is that just because the lines are purple? I don't know. I think it's purple. It's very simple, but that gives you a lot of space for writing, and a lot of space for adding your own personal touch again if you like. And I have to admit that I would go for kind of a calm design like this over a super busy print anytime. So when I say that it's simple, that's definitely not a negative in my book. The envelope is also very beautiful. same design, not too special. Oh, some feathers on the back and a lot of space for the address, which is quite nice. I guess you could do like doodling around if you wanted to, or you could just leave it as is. That's another one of my favorites, I'm guessing. Which one is next? Should we flip here? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the back one. Oh, okay. Forget what I said about favorites. This is a new favorite. Am I gonna be about this? Am I gonna talk like that about every design in this pack? I don't know. But look at that, it's all little mailboxes. Could I be any more excited? I don't think so. It's beautiful watercolor mailbox designs, post mail, letters. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's perfect. I feel like I need to order more of this, although I have about a stack of papers about this big, so no, I don't need more paper. But this is gorgeous. If I had to choose one, okay, let me look at everything else before I choose a favorite, but that's gotta be one of them. Okay, where's the envelope? Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Beautiful light blue, greenish blue, I would say, and then one of the mailboxes on the front. That's adorable. That's adorable. I love that. I love that. Goodness, let me know which one is your favorite. Of course, as always, do you love this one as much as I do? I feel like you all are going to love it because letter writing, mailboxes, it's kind of a thing that goes together. Then let me grab this one. Oh, another kind of houseplanty theme. Oh, we have another one that goes really well with this, with the little string of pearls. Let me just grab it. My writing stack. See, this is all the paper I have left. Trust me, I write a lot of letters, but I get so much every month. See, this actually goes really nicely together, I think, because it has like the little house, the house theme, and then the house plant at the top. That's so cute. Yeah, this is also one of my favorites, which I guess makes sense. But wow, I love this. I even have one of these plants. It's a little skin dapsus, for those of you who want to know. Has a typewriter at the bottom, some little brushes, and a teacup, and I absolutely love that. I absolutely love that. This whole pack is a winner for me. And then this envelope has the bricks, what do you call it, bricks? The bricks design on the front, and this beautiful pink please deliver to. And then on the back the houseplant again. I love it when the back is as nice as the front. Goodness, it's going to be hard choosing a favorite actually. And this is the last design, and again, oh, I again love it. I think this is like the second, if I'm not mistaken, the second pack that I love, absolutely love every single design. Because there's always one that you like a little bit less. But this one, oh my goodness, it has like rainbow, how would you call this? Rainbow airbrush kind of look at the top. It has purple lines, and it has a cute little bicycle with a flower basket at the bottom. That's gorgeous. The envelope is also gorgeous, little flower basket, and that gorgeous rainbow at the back. Goodness, I don't actually think I can choose a favorite. It might actually be the bike design, just because I love these colors so much. It depends on the type of project I'm working on, but it's either the mailboxes or the bicycle or the houseplant. I don't know. Let me know which one is your favorite. Would you have liked to receive the June pack that I showed you before, or the July pack that I showed you just now? I want to know all of your thoughts, because it's always funny how different we all are in liking the designs that someone else dislikes and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for it being, for the June video being quite late. I'm trying to catch up with everything, but it's been a crazy few weeks, and I hope that's okay. I'll just take my time, and I will hopefully be back to normal very soon. So I wish you all a lovely, lovely day, and you'll see me when you see me. Okay, bye.